Hello. Right. Bit of a mental week this week. Toby's been out sick, which kind of makes things a bit of a headache. What are we doing this week? So we're over at Ramsgate in a minute, where we are doing 6 flats for a client of ours. We was down at Emmencote at the weekend. Got that one pretty much wrapped up. And yeah, so it's been full on at the moment. It's not nice when you go a man down and you've got to soldier through and try and keep all of your clients happy, which is a bit stressful to be honest, but is what it is. So hopefully he feels better next week. So, all right. So on this Ramsgate job, it's an old NatWest bank. It's been converted into 6 flats. So at the moment we're on the middle floor. So we are working in flat number 4 at the moment. So we come in and there's a bathroom on this side with a shower. So we've got an extractor and a couple of spotlights going on here. Because of the length of the extractor and the fact it's a conservation area, we can't vent out through the front. So everything's being done in rigid ducting because it's over 1 metre long. It's going to come out in the hallway, it's going to come down, and then it's going to go through the wall there. Because of the length, we're going to have to put centrifugal fans on it to keep the airflow going, which we're going to fix up here, which is the nearest point to extraction. I'd like to fix on the stairs, but because of the low ceiling height, I just can't do it. So up here next to where the water pipe is will be 2 centrifugal fans, one for the kitchen and one for the bathroom. So in here is the kitchen. It's a bit of a mess, sorry. So we've got a fuse board going in the cupboard. We've got some isolation switches on the wall, which will control all the appliances. And then, because it's a bit of a small kitchen, there's a couple of sockets down the end with the hob and extractor in the middle. This is the living room. Like when we do a follow-up video, all this stuff will obviously be inside the walls instead of in the middle of the room. We've got a TV going over in that corner there. Got a couple of sockets in here. These are all full electric, these flats as well. So it'll be electric radiator on the wall. And we've got Ethernet points in all locations. So over yonder, down there, there's an Ethernet cable, and in the bedroom, which is this one, we're going to have the bed on this wall with some bedside lights. Sorry, there's a little wardrobe where we've put it in a sensored spotlight, and then we've got the TV with a data point and a point for the heater to go in this corner. This one's quite lucky; it's got the built-in wardrobe, so it means they'll have a bit more room than what the other flats will have. There's all our rigid ducting, so we can get it all out. They're going to extend that wall over, so that'll be a nice flat wall instead of having that little nib. So yeah, so I had to do this all on my Jack Jones, because like I said, Toby's got something wrong with his head or something. So then next week we'll be coming into flat number 3. And we'll be doing this. So I've not really looked at the drawing for flat number 3, so I'm just going to wing it. So we've got a bedroom down there, bedroom there, with a nice little skylight that they've installed. Through here, there's a bathroom. And yeah, again, these vents will all need centrifugals because the rigid ducting's longer than 6 metres. So we've got a kitchen that's going to go on this wall. And I would say they'll have a TV to the right of the window. Like I said, I've not looked at the drawings yet, but that's kind of like how they tend to do it in here. And yeah, so but yeah, so this is next week's one. So yeah, a bit chaotic this week, to be honest. So hurry up, Toby, take more painkillers. All right, see you soon. Alright, so that was a week from hell, so glad it's Friday. So absolute nightmare with Toby being off at the minute. So we left Ramsgate and on the way home we went in and done a cheeky little job quickly, chasing a couple of sockets for a little kitchenette that's been installed over the weekend. And typically it was red engineering bricks, so you chase everything out, you gun everything out, and you come out and you look like some bird from The Only Way is Essex. All orange, head to toe. So come home, had to get in the shower, because better taking Anastasia down to karate, so because it's her grading tonight. So yeah, and then when we get back, we're going to cook a chicken and bacon stroganoff. So which is nice. We like doing that. That's good. So.